Today on Yester Kitchen, we're going to try a recipe that a viewer sent me. You are going to love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. It would be an honor to have you join us as we explore retro history through food. We're going to make something so good today in just a few minutes, right back there. But I just wanted to come here instead of just showing you my hands and talking while you're staring at my hands. I thought I'd try something new. So actually in the comments, if you can let me know how you like this introduction as opposed to just me coming on and you just seeing my hands the whole time, because I'm here. The rest of me is attached. So anyway, today we are going to make something amazing called, are you ready? Cherry pie salad. Oh my God, it's so good. So I want to thank Charlotte G. Charlotte, I know you're out there. Thank you so very much. I get recipes sent to me all the time. And if I can make an episode out of it, I will. There's a lot of criteria I have to work through, but this one seemed to work very well. It's perfect for potlucks. It's perfect for summer. It's probably perfect for winter. It's along the same lines as the Watergate salad. Remember that? We did that so long ago. I'll put the link up there for you. But it's, and that's where we talk about the history of the Watergate salad and everything. It's very similar because it's a creamy, fruity, cold kind of salad, right? Not really a salad, but it's a salad because it's called a salad, but it's probably a dessert or a side dish. Anyway, you know where I'm going. So Charlotte's recipe came from one of her vintage cookbooks, one of the collaboration cookbooks that we know and love. It's called Charitable Collectibles from 1971. And as you know, the 1970s is my favorite decade, so already it looks good. And it's just a little obscure recipe that is just fabulous. This cookbook was a fundraiser for a church back in 71. But here's a picture of the cover. And I'm so excited. Let's get in that kitchen and let's cook it right now. Well, it's really not a cook. Let's get it together right now. Okay, let us make cherry pie salad. So in my happy little retro mixing bowl that I love so much, it's gonna be so easy, it's gonna go so fast. First, we have 1 can, oh, it's a spatula, of cherry pie filling. And you wanna get it all out. There we go. 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. These guys are usually 14 ounces. There's just one size. And in they go. Oh my God, it's already looking so good. Company ready. Well, it'll be ready in about 2 or 3 hours. You're gonna want this to chill because you want all the flavors to just get happy together. All right, so we're just gonna mix that up together and just give it a head start. All right, we need pineapple tidbits. That's what the recipe says. But I know the question because I've asked the same one. What is the difference between chunks and tidbits? So here's what I did for you. Ready? Chunks? Tidbits. So it's kind of like they took a chunk and cut it in maybe 3. That's it. You really can use either one. I bought 2 small cans, which are the flat, like almost tuna-sized cans, 8 ounces each. The recipe says 1 cup. I'm going a little overboard. But like I said, it's cooking. So I'm going half tidbits. I'm going half chunks. Oh, and the recipe says, which I just totally blew, you want to drain them well. I actually put these in a strainer, but it looks like some of the juice still escaped. So we'll just do it that way. Look at that. Problem solved. And in we go. Now we have one of the 70s most favorite ingredients, Cool Whip. And in that goes. Look how easy this is. After this, we have one more thing. And my friends, we're done. Like, seriously. Okay. Whee! I love Cool Whip so much. Do you guys love Cool Whip? Oh my God, I love it. All right, now we're going to just kind of gently fold that around because we don't want to whip it too hard. Oh my God, whip it. Who was a Devo fan? I'm sorry. That's the 80s, and we are doing 70s right now, so retract. No, I still love Devo. All right, last thing. 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. I actually toasted these. All I did was in a dry pan, and actually I saved a tiny bit to like sprinkle on top because these are getting mixed in. In a dry pan, I just poured all my pecans, and I just kind of stirred them around over like a medium-high heat until you could smell them, and it's the most wonderful smell. And that's it. Take them off the fire, let them cool, and let them set aside until you're ready for them. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Cherry pie salad. Can it be any easier? This guy's going to go in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll serve it. So it's been about 2 hours. There it is. Wait, let me, oh, look at that. Is that gorgeous? The most pretty pink. And of course, like I said, I saved a few pecans to put on top. So if you want, buy a little more of your chopped pecans so you can put them over the whole bowl or however you want to do it. And all that's left is my favorite part. Oh, I got a cherry. Oh, can you see it? I got a cherry. It's, oh my God. Charlotte, thank you for sending this to me. It's so good. Obviously, you taste the cherries because there's pieces of cherry, but it's not heavily cherried. You really only taste the pineapple or the tidbits when you actually bite into one, and you've got the crunch of the pecans. It just all just melds together beautifully, and it doesn't take long at all. So I really, really, really hope you try this. It's just fabulous. So thank you again, Charlotte. I'm so grateful. And like I said, send me your recipes. I love to receive them. I'm just so grateful for every single one of them and every single one of you. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every week. In the meantime, there's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even cherry pie salad, oh, it's a real thing, has a story. I will see you in the next video.